In this video, we will cover BioData Catalyst powered by PIC-SURE and explore how to use the Variable Distributions tool in PIC-SURE Authorized Access. The Variable Distributions tool is used to display the distribution of data for each variable added to the query. In other words, it allows us to gather a quick visual summary of the cohort that we have created with the query criteria. We are able to see the distributions of variables that have been added as filters to the query. Additionally, the tool allows us to interact with the graphs to zoom in and change the views of the graphs. To use the Variable Distributions tool, there needs to be at least one variable filter applied to the query. As we can see, we have built a query using two variable filters. The first variable filter is on the variable FM537 body mass index to include participants with any value greater than 20. The other variable filter is on sex, gender, to include participants with any value for this variable. For more information about searching for variables and adding variable filters, please consult the other videos in the BioData Catalyst Powered by PIC-SURE YouTube playlist. To use the Variable Distributions tool, we can click on the tile that says Variable Distributions in the Tool Suite box. Once the Variable Distributions tool is clicked, a new modal will be displayed. This modal will show the cohort distribution of each variable that was added as a filter. In this case, we can see that the sex and FM537 variables are displayed. As shown here, there are two main chart types that are displayed based upon the data type. Categorical variables are displayed as bar charts. In this example, sex is a categorical variable with two categories, female and male. These are displayed as bars in the bar chart, with counts displayed at the top. Continuous variables are displayed as histograms. This shows the counts for specific numeric ranges based on the data. In this example, body mass index is a continuous variable. The minimum displayed in this graph is 20, since that is what we defined previously with our filter. The maximum is that associated with the data, about 56 according to this graph. These graphs are interactive. Let's say we want to learn more about the tail on the right side of the histogram displaying body mass index. First, we can hover over the graph in the region of interest. We can then click and drag to highlight the region we want to see. When we release the click, we can see that the highlighted region of the graph is then displayed. We can now observe the details of this tail to learn more about the data. There are two options to reset the graph to the original parameters. First, we can click on the home icon in the top right corner. Second, we can double-click anywhere in the graph to return it to the original state. If we are interested in downloading the graph, we can click on the camera icon in the top right corner. This will download the file as an image file with a PNG extension. This has been a summary of the Variable Distributions tool in PIC-SURE Authorized Access. Be sure to watch the next video, PIC-SURE Open API, to learn more about the PIC-SURE Application Programming Interface.